Okay, the title says it all. What are we going to do with our 2020 Leisure Travel Vans Unity FX? Are we going to sell it? Are we going to keep it? Or are we going to rent it? Now then, 2023 has been pretty complex this year. In fact, we've had some serious family issues. My mother's at a place in her life where she needs our daily care. And so our RV journey has basically been put on hiatus for now. Well, now we do have two RVs. We have the Airstream Globetrotter, and then we also have our Leisure Travel Vans. And so basically, I've just got two RVs sitting in storage for the time being. And that's not the way you're supposed to have an RV. They're supposed to be out and about, right? And so Jen and I have been really weighing around what we want to do with the Leisure Travel Van, because we are convinced that we want to try out that new MBL floor plan and trying to decide, do we want the Wonder? Do we want another Unity? Love the Unity, love the Mercedes chassis, but everybody's bragging about their Transit, their all-wheel drive, and all of the good stuff. And so we may be settling on a Wonder MBL, putting that order in, or if a used one or a canceled order comes about, maybe getting one sooner than an ordered one. But then in the meantime, what do we do with our current Leisure Travel Van? Now then, I have thought about selling it, letting someone else enjoy it. It's pretty much the perfect LTV, especially if you like an FX model, because it's got a color scheme that is basically, you can't get any more, which is the silver and blue. It's called denim. Absolutely love that color now that it's white and blue, and I really prefer the silver, me personally anyway. It's got the Lithionics 320, it's got the 3000 watt inverter, you can run your air conditioner off battery. Pretty much a great setup. Now then, I've also thought about literally just keeping it. It's wonderful, it suits our purpose. And then I've also thought about renting it out, not just to anybody though. My thought process with it is, don't know how I would do it yet, but really just to an LTV enthusiast. Someone with a LTV on order, somebody who is kicking the tires on an LTV, somebody's trying to decide between a Wonder and Unity and they want to take a Unity out. Well, I think if I do keep it, I think that makes a lot of sense, you know, being very selective, allowing only certain people to be able to rent it, and definitely not to the general public. I don't want my Leisure Travel Van all beat up. I made a place on our website where if you're interested in buying it, or if you think you might want to rent it, go to I'll put the link right here and in the description. You can go on and message me and we can talk. And again, if you think you might want to purchase it, let me know. And if you think you might want to rent it, even let me know. Or if you think I should just keep it tucked away just for Janet and I, then put that in the comments down below as well. Now then, I have not been posting as much content as you probably have noticed, but I do have a lot of ideas and stuff on my to-do list to make videos of. In fact, a lot of great products that companies have sent me that we're starting to use ourselves and will use ourselves once we start RVing again, that I think you guys would want to learn about. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so and hit that notification bell again, because I'm not posting every week like I used to, and so it's kind of sporadic. But this video is just kind of an update on that, as well as just to get out there the fact that I don't know what I'm doing with my LTV. And if it's something that you may want, then give me a message. If you think you might want to rent it, shout at me and I'll try to figure that out, how to do that and let somebody enjoy it this summer, rather than it just sitting in storage, which I don't like that. It's not what it's meant to do. But anyway, with that said, that link is there. Be sure to check out our website, because we do have some great products coming up. Our new fantastic fan covers are coming in soon. Our new bamboo cutting board version 2. I've got the final product there, and it's head and shoulders above our first version. Super excited about this product, as well as some other products coming up as well, specifically fit for Leisure Travel Van. So with that being said, be sure to check out our website, and then again, let me know what you want to do with my LTV. But with that being said, I will see you next time.